Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Navy's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, morning shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English assignment class for class 9 students. Our today's topic, English Assignment 1 discussions. So let's start our today's class. But before going to the class, let's see our today's class, class 9, subject English, topic Assignment 1 discussion, lecture number 5, term Haveli. This is Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number and today's date. So dear students, so let's see our assignment, class 9, assignment 1. Assignment with title. So our assignment is influence of Bangabandhu's leadership qualities in personal life. So this is your assignment title. So assignment title is influence of Bangabandhu's leadership qualities in personal life. So learning outcomes, content. So students will be able to exchange personal information, read and demonstrate understanding text through silent reading. So this is learning outcomes. Students will be able to exchange personal information, read and demonstrate understanding text through silent reading, and guidelines for writing assignments, stages. So read and complete the activities of Unit 1 from your textbook English for today. So you have to read Unit 1, all the lessons for this assignment. Identify some leadership qualities of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. It could be leadership in the word of independence, establishing diplomatic ties with other countries, honoring mother tongue, or any other areas. So you can take any one. You can write all the qualities. Every time you identify quality, state how it influences you personally. This is very important. So every time you identify quality, then please write, state how it influences you personally, why you were influenced by this quality. So you can state a quality and then show how it influences you, or make a list of qualities and then show how each of them influences you. Okay, you can write, you can make a list first, then you can write how it influences you, or you can write one by one. Write a quality and then how it influences you. So assessment criteria, rubrics, indicator, content. You will get 4. The learners identifies diverse leadership qualities of Bangabandhu and shows how they could influence him or her. You will get 3. The learners identifies few leadership qualities of Bangabandhu and shows how they could influence him. You will get 2. The learner identifies a few leadership qualities of Bangabandhu but couldn't show how they influences him. B. Spelling mistake. There are no spelling mistakes. You can get 4. There are occasional spelling mistakes. 3. There are frequent spelling mistakes. 2. C. Organization. The presentation is well organized. You will get 4. The presentation is mostly organized. You will get 3. You get cross or on. The presentation is hardly organized. You will get 0. The presentation is not organized at all. Language accuracy. All sentences are grammatically correct. Most of the sentences are grammatically correct with the occasional errors. You will get 2. There are frequent grammatical errors. You will get 1. There are grammatical errors most in every sentence. You will get 0. None of the sentences are grammatically correct. So you can phone me. Mr. Ariful Islam. This is my phone number, and Roshan Khandakar Miss. If you face any problem. And dear students, your submission date of assignment is 26/02/22. You know, this is Saturday. Every Saturday you will submit the assignment. So your submission date is 26/02/22, Saturday. So that's all for my dear students. Do your assignment at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. Okay, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.